For this week's Minute, I'm standing in our brand new control room in the Instructional Services building. This space is amazing, with new electrical engineering labs, brand new communication spaces, and a way to show how the university is evolving at an incredibly rapid pace. I love what this new building, which was redone, I guess, represents. Right? We're taking space that was essentially not used very much and turning it into space that can be really exciting for students, faculty, and staff to work in. That's a combination of working with advancement to make sure that we have the proper philanthropy to get the equipment that we need, to advocating with the state to be able to make sure we're communicating the needs we have in order to get great new spaces to provide education in. It also shows how we're thinking about how modern education works for students. We need to provide spaces that excite them to be in person. This is one of those spaces. If you haven't had a chance to check out the new Instructional Services building and the spaces that our electrical engineering students, physics students, others, and communications are using, please take a minute to take a look. It's really exciting.